Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Brex to manage e-commerce spend, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Brex to manage your e-commerce spend, start by logging into your Brex account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the settings option. Click on settings to open the configuration menu. In the settings menu, find and select integrations. Locate the e-commerce platform you want to connect with Brex. Click on the option for your selected e-commerce platform. You will be directed to the authorization page for that platform. Follow the prompts to log in to your e-commerce account. Once logged in, you may be asked to grant Brex permission to access your financial data. Review the permissions Brex is requesting and ensure they align with your needs. If everything looks good, click the Authorize or Grant Access button. After authorization, return to your Brex dashboard. Check for a confirmation message indicating successful integration. You may want to adjust spending limits or controls for your e-commerce spend. Navigate to the Spend Management section in your Brex account. Set the desired limits based on your e-commerce budget. Lastly, monitor your account regularly to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Brex to manage your e-commerce spend. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.